All right, so what we're going to look at now is evaluating exponents, and some of you may already know how to do this, so this might be a review. So let's start with if I have the number 4, that's my base, and my power is 2. 4 to the second power. 4 to the power of 2. That means 4 times 4, which equals 16. So to evaluate, you're going to get an answer. So when it means evaluate, that means you're going to write the answer. I left my calculator up because we might need it here. So let's say I have 3 to the 4th power. My base is 3, so that means I have 3 by 3 by 3 by 3, and I need to get that answer. So I can put in 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and I have 4 of them. That was 81. So my answer to that was 81 because I had 4 3s, so I multiplied. Let's try 2 to the 5th power. That's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can use your calculator. I know that this one is 4 times, I know this one is 4 times 2. I think it should be 32. Now you can use your calculator. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 32. What if you have 10 to the 3rd? That's going to be 10 times 10 times 10. You put that in your calculator. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. What if you have 8 to the 1st? That's just 8. If you have 92 to the 1st, it's just 92. If it's the 1st power, it's really easy. It's just the same as the number. So if I have 101 to the 1st power, it's 101. Now the next one I'm going to show you is kind of special, and you need to remember this one for today. So if you have something to the 0 power, I have 4 to the 0, it equals 1. If I have 5 to the 0, it equals 1. So if you have 0 as a power or exponent, it's going to equal 1. If I have 25 to the 0, it equals 1. If I have 100 to the 0, it equals 1. If I have 32 to the 0, it equals 1. 1 to the 0 equals 1. 2 to the 0 equals 1. X to the 0 equals 1. W to the 0 equals 1. Y to the 0 equals 1. So anytime you have a 0 power or a 0 exponent, it's going to equal 1. So if I had like 4 squared, or 4 to the 2nd, plus 3 to the 0, we know this one, 4 squared, is going to be 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 3 to the 0. What's anything to the 0? Power is 1, so 3 to the 0 power is 1, so 16 plus 1, 17. All right, that's it. Try the practice problems.